Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Last class we discussed what and all requirement we have from our client, and we go through what and all steps we have. And same way we learned like what and all views we have, and what and all customized options we have, and how many views we have. Everything we seen in our last class. And today we'll see how we need to get data and how we need to work this project. And first information what we need to do, get data. And in that get data we have three options called Central America, North America and South America, in the sense countries name. And one more thing guys, here you guys can able to see get data. Almost we have like a 99 plus data sources, and here you guys can able to see, for example, Excel and data flows, data version, and SQL server and analysis, text or CSV files, and web. Almost like this we have 99 plus data sources. Today I'm going to use web, and in a sense so I'm going to use from internet, means Google data set I'm going to pull, and we'll see how it will works. First we'll see what is requirement. Go to get data. Here what we need to do, first Central America data information we need to get. For that we need to go to first Google, and in Google just type Central America is first. So Central America in Wikipedia. Please go to that, and the first option is Central America. Select that one, and here you guys can able to see lot of information. So please go through this information, and come down. Here you guys will get a table kind of information. Yeah, this is one of the table, but just cross check with our information. Here they are interested like country, capacity, population and area. Just go through this. We have that type of information. No, right? So it's not our table. So please come down, scroll down. Yeah, here you guys can able to get one more data, in the sense one more table, and you guys can able to see in this. And this is also not our data, so that is not required for us. So just scroll down. Yeah, here you guys can able to see one more table, but this also not matching with our requirement, so this is also not our data set. Yeah, here you guys can able to see one data set, country, area, population density, capital, like this, right? It's matching with our requirement, so I'm going to take this table. Just copy paste, just copy Wikipedia, and go to Power BI desktop, and get a data in get data web. Here what we need to do, we copied link from Google, right? So like this pop-up you guys will get after selecting web. Just copy paste and click OK. And after selecting OK, you it's connecting guys. Wait for a second. And yeah, you guys are getting like this navigator pop-up, and it will take a little bit of time because we have a lot of tables in internet, right? So it will take a little bit of more time, in the sense it will take one or two. And again here you guys can able to see all tables what and all we checked in our internet, right? Means website. All table you guys can able to see here, and again cross check with information. This and all not matching with us, so this and all not our table. So please cross check. This one also not our table, and we'll see. Yeah, this is matching with our table, so I'm going to select this one. Just load. Transform data also we need to use, but we'll see in next class. Today I'm going to use load option. So it's not required. Okay, it's loading, and you guys will get the load pop-up. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Just wait, it's loading and all information is getting ready to use. So only it will take a little bit of time, guys. Please wait. And see, it's done, and you guys can able to see here we have like a 8 rows. And it's working. And one more thing here, you guys can able to see data options, right? So what and all tables we are going to add, all tables will add here in this option data. Downside data, all tables will get added. So it's added now, and you guys can able to see some information. Means what and all information we have in table, particularly that country table contains of central table, all information you guys can able to see. And one more thing, they are expecting Central America table name. So I'm going to change here Central America. Just double click on this here, Central America. I'm going to change name. Yeah, it's changed, name has been changed. And same way, what we need to do, we need to get data like North America countries, same way South America also. And we'll do it, guys. And again go back, and Central America is done. Now North America. North America Wikipedia, not in Hindi, in English. By mistakenly I gave one Hindi. English. Okay. North America Wikipedias. Select first link, and here also you guys can able to see lot of information, but it's not required for us. Yeah, this is matching with our requirement, area, country, and population, capital, everything. So same thing I'm going to do. Copy this link and go to Power BI desktop. Go to home. Here get data and go to web and paste it here. Okay. It's loading. Again, it will take like 2 to 3 minutes. Just wait, guys. Yeah. Again, you guys can able to see all tables here, and just cross check here. Table in a table view. This is not matching with our information, in the sense our requirement. So that is not required for us. Second table is matching. So I'm going to load second table. Again, in data options you guys can able to see, right here, you again one more table will get add. It's evaluating. It will take like a little bit of time, 2 to 3, because yeah, it's added now. Central America, before that we pulled, and then now table 1, in the sense this is a second table. This is a North America, right? So I'm going to change name as it is North America. Double click on this, North America. Yes, it's done. And same thing we need to do for South America as well. Go back, and South America. Type it South America. South America Wikipedia. This one. South America Wikipedia. Yeah, this one. Select first option South America, and again we got lot of option. Please go through all informations and cross check with our tables. Yes, it's matching. So I'm going to take this table and same option get data and web and copy paste, click OK. It's connecting, guys. In table view, you guys can able to see all table information. First table is not matching with our data, so it's not required for us. Yeah, this one is matching, I guess. Yeah, this one is matching, third table. So what I'm going to do, just load it. And again in add column, you guys can able to see one more table will get add. We already done with Central America and North America. Same way we have to do it for South America as well. Yes guys, it's loaded. And yeah, here you guys can able to see table 2, right? It's newly added table. I'm going to change this one as to South America. South America. Yeah, it's done. Yes, guys, it has been added in the sense we done with the first step. We get data. We done it with the Central America, North America, South America. All three options has been added. Can you guys able to see here? Yes, guys, it's done.